There's a new app on Google Play called Bitcoin Mining Gold Diggers, and it does have some investment options, but in my opinion, this is one of the best apps for watching ads to gain some free Bitcoin. So breaking this down, it's a lot like the other kind of Bitcoin mining apps that you see, but it has a little bit of a visual, and there's a few things different from this than the other apps. But the thing that's the most similar to these other apps, it is based on gigahash per second or terahash per second. 1000 gigahash per second will give you 1 terahash. You can see I have 1.205. And for those who don't know, this terahash per second will give you bits of Bitcoin, or Satoshis is what they're actually called. And I'll go over this deal in a second, but I did the starter deal for $20 just to kind of get this going. And after having this for a little less than a week, my math so far is showing me earning 46.6 sats per day per 1 terahash per second. But the best thing about this app, in my opinion, so let me play an ad and show you the reward. And after watching the ad, you can see that I've earned a 24-hour miner for 50 gigahash per second. And on the bottom right, you can't see it on the screen, you'll click miners. You'll see that you can do 10 of these per day, giving you 500 gigahash per second or 0.5 terahash per second, which ends up being 23.3 sats a day, which is pretty good compared to most apps. So next, quickly, I want to talk about the $20 purchase I made. It's 1.2 terahash per second, which earns me about 55 sats per day at a $75,000 Bitcoin price, which I know it's a little bit lower as the making of this video. It's 405 days until I receive my return on investment. And there definitely are better deals out there. There is a way to get a permanent miner through these diamonds, which I'll show in a minute. But as far as investing, I think you have better options than, putting money into this. $20 is a pretty high barrier when we have a lot of apps that have $2, $5, and $10. Next, I wanted to go over a withdrawal and show this off to you. It's really simple and easy. So if you go into your Speed Wallet, and once you're in your Speed Wallet, scroll down a little bit to where it says More Actions. You can see my name is Cloud Mining Pro at speed.app. I'm going to copy that. And then back in your Bitcoin Mining Gold Diggers app, you'll see Lightning. I already have it in mind because I've done one withdrawal before, but you're just going to paste it in that. And then you click All right here. And the minimum you can withdraw is 20 Satoshis with the maximum being 4,000. So you can do 1 day's worth of ads and be able to withdraw every day technically. So on the very bottom, you're going to click Withdrawal, and there's our withdrawal application submitted. And seconds later, you can see the 221 Satoshis sent directly to my Speed Wallet. And some other things I want to show you is if you go to miners, you'll see that you can buy a 300 gigahash per second miner for 999 diamonds. Now there's two options on how you can get these diamonds. Option one is to spend your money and buy diamonds. But you saw with my promotional deal, it'll take a little over a year, about a year and a half to get your money back as far as Bitcoin at this current price. And that's with the buy one, get one deal. So this is going to take well over 2 years, even with the better deals, as you spend more money. But there are ways to get free diamonds, which is what I'm going to end up doing. So on the bottom, if you click bonus, you'll see they have daily rewards to earn free diamonds. Days 1 and 2, you'll earn 5. Days 3 and 4, you'll earn 10. Days 5 and 6, you'll earn 20. And day 7, you'll get a free 24-hour 300 gigahash per second miner, which ends up being about 18 sats, which isn't too bad in my opinion. But just keep in mind, for every reward that you get, you're going to have to watch an ad. Not a big deal to me. The next way to earn diamonds is in your tasks. You'll see that there's 4 different ways to earn points: daily login, do 2 ads, buy a miner, or do a withdrawal. And with 10 points doing your daily login, you can watch an ad for 5 diamonds. You get 40 points, it's 15 diamonds. All the way up to 100 points, it's 30 diamonds. But to get to the 100, you actually have to buy the miner. So in my opinion, the strategy is just to do your daily withdrawal. Say you just watch ads. It's enough to do a daily withdrawal. That'll allow you to get the 5 and the 15. Which I think I'm just going to do myself right now. So I'm going to click claim. And now that I have 50 points, I'm going to watch that ad and I should be at 145 total diamonds. And there it is, 15 diamonds, that easy. And that's pretty much as well as I can break down the app, for having it less than a week. Once I've had it a bit more, I'll give a full breakdown, go over all the investment options, including the $50 in promotion. But just as of my early thoughts, I think you can get a lot better deals with other apps. A lot have like $2, $5, $10. This has an opening barrier of $20, which is pretty high in my opinion. But on the other hand, like I said, this is one of the best apps for free SaaS for watching ads. Over 2 SaaS per ad isn't bad in my opinion. And just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And just please, please do not invest more than you can afford to lose. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And there are no referrals for this app. But if you do find value in these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out earlier. I don't take any sponsorships or take any money directly from any of these cloud mining apps, so these videos can come out as unbiased as possible. So just know that when you do buy a membership, it does go directly to the channel, helps me out a ton, and is greatly appreciated. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.